Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Halloween tutorial. This one is quite clear as to what it is. I'm going to show you how I created this angel makeup and hair. It's a lot easier than it looks. It just involves a little bit of patience, a little bit of time, and a lot of rhinestones and lash glue. But I hope you guys like this look. Let's jump into it and let me show you how I got it. For this makeup, I hope you guys liked it. I absolutely love how this came out, like wedding vibes, angel vibes. I am even thinking about possibly doing this for my wedding one day. Who's the lucky man? I don't know, but this will definitely keep in my little side pocket right here and come back to it maybe in a couple years or so. But I love how this came out. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out all of my other Halloween tutorials on my channel, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and all those fun things so you can see all the looks before you see them here on YouTube. Love you guys, and I'll see you soon.